Okay guys, let me show you how I trade. This is actually how I trade. Very simple and straightforward. I first of all move to higher time frame, which is weekly time frame. You see my setup. What I see here is downtrend. I move straight to daily time frame. I still confirm the downtrend movement. Very bearish trend. Very bearish trend. The trend is so bearish. So I now move to 4 hours. And here, to get the picture clearer, I'll start applying my break of structures. Just analyze it this way. Just break structure to the downside. And this is another break of structure and downside. This is another break of structure to the downside. So another break of structure. This setup was set since last week, but just triggered this morning. Just this morning, around after 8 a.m. That's when this setup just triggered. I have set this setup for like going to 2 weeks or more than. So this is where I saw the setup. Saw it at this place. Now let's move to 1 hour time frame. Is it? And 1 hour time frame, you get a clearer picture. There is still another minor break of structure here. There's still another minor break of structure here. At this joint, this is break of structure. Now this is how I get the setup that I just triggered this morning. Now at this particular place, this is the cause. This is the origin. Here is the origin. Here is the origin that this particular place is the origin that caused this break of structure here. So I have to map it out. The first candlestick. Choose this. This is the first candlestick here. Now, this is liquidity. Look at liquidity and fair value gap as well. You can see the fair value gap from this zone to this zone. It's a fair value gap. This is liquidity. Once you see this kind of setup, don't play with it. Now, the trade now moved. Now keep moving. Finally, it triggered my entry at this place. Look at where it triggered it here. Look at where it triggered it at this place and started moving it did a pullback and boom. So my TP should be here. Here's my TP. Here's my TP. The last candle of this zone. This is here. That's where my TP is. This zone. That's where I'll put my TP. So this is exactly how I trade. When you look at this very closely, let me zoom it through. You see the movement.